Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Glosrity.com. So this is a new cooling system, a kind of AC that they are providing, and it's being hyping over the social media so far. As you can see, they are providing a three kind of different ACs, and this one is actually very much popular among the social media ads. So this is a cooling ace where they claim that this comes with a lot of features, like they have a 3-speed settings, a long lasting battery, quiet operations, and even a compact and portable size. So they provides you with a lot of specifications as well. Now let's find out if these bold claims are actually true, because it's providing so much of features in just 80 USD. Normally these kind of features come with the AC of some register company are actually really expensive, probably around $400 or $300. So now we have to find out if this is actually true. As you can see, the Glosrity Cooling Ace portable air conditioner was also available on Amazon as well, but once I try to search for it and open it up, the link is no longer available. So this message, this raises concerns about the authenticity of this product, and it has a worst possible 1 rating out of 5 stars. So this is a major red flag that it didn't pass the safety checks of Amazon, and it was actually removed from the platform, and last time it had just 1 rating. Apart from this, I have started searching for the domain name of the Glosrity.com, and as you can see, it was registered in 2024, so it's just 1 year old. So we cannot configure out if this is actually a scam, but using these ratings and the not availability of Amazon actually concludes that to this point that this AC is actually pretty much a scam, because providing with so much features in just $80 is simply not possible. So in conclusion, I would say you should avoid purchasing this AC unless you have seen some of your relatives who have been a good experience with this AC. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.